because if I jump on, I want to trade. So, so I personally, I don't jump on early only because I know if I do, I'm gonna want to trade. And I'm like, those early mornings like that, I'm not always the sharpest, I would say.
Well, oh, you're like sharp as a butter knife. No, I'm just
That's a
kidding.
problem. Butter knives aren't sharp. They're
No,
not
but I
sharp.
mean, since I have that brokerage account, it's really kind of like giving me discipline because it's like putting something on the line.
Yeah.
So
Oh, what just happened? Scared myself there for a second there.
I know it went black. Oh, what
Morning,
happened?
morning, fellas.
Good
What's
morning,
up,
G. Good
G?
morning, sir.
Chilling, chilling. Shit. Hey, man, I was trading with Dre last night, man. We made some money last night,
Hey, we'll take it. We'll take it.
but it was we made it on gold though, on gold.
Okay. Yeah, that's what he normally trades.
What is the abbreviation for gold on here?
It should be just
X
gold.
X. I use XAU USD 2026. I mean, 20. Yeah, is it 2026? Yeah, for gold.
We're gonna rock and roll this morning.
Rock and roll, fellas.
Yep.
Rock and roll.
We got 8 minutes. 8 minutes for market open here. We're above the VWAP, above the close from yesterday.
What?
So we're going to see what we get today.
For Nasdaq.
What was the close yesterday?
The close from yesterday was 1 second. 25,064.50. 25,064.50.
Okay, thank you.
No, of course.
Above the VWAP, above the EMA.
Want to see what type of action we get today since it is the day before Thanksgiving. Let me double check if we have any news coming out. I
It's
think we
kind of
had news this
intriguing to
morning.
me since it's like a Thursday. Like usually, if it's like a holiday, it's like a 3-day scenario. So it's kind of weird.
Yeah. Let's see what we got here. So we had just the news at 8:30 this morning. So other than that, we don't have anything else coming out. Welcome everyone on the YouTube streams and the Twitch streams, everything like that. Hopefully you guys are as excited as we are because we're ready to make some money today. Yesterday had a solid day in the markets. Today we're trying to follow up. Not swing for the fence, just base hits, gentlemen. If you haven't seen the video that I posted last night, check it out. Because
I did watch. It was very good. I liked how you were walking with your girl. I don't know what happened, like if it was planned, but it was like an awesomely blocked shot because you were walking together like through a tunnel thing, and then she disappeared to do something, and then she came up. It like had like a lot of production value. I was like, okay, did they plan that or was it just luck?
that's all natty, Steve. There was no plan. We were just walking. I was on a side quest from my mother. And sure enough, I'm like, you know what? Let me just, since I'm already out here with the camera, let me just pull it out and record a video for the legacy and for YouTube real quick. So we shot the video. Well, I shot the video.
Because
But
she like disappeared, and then it was like all of a sudden she came up again, and it was like that's cool. And then you had the stand for your mom.
yeah, that was the side quest. The side quest was the same for my mother. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Andre, welcome, sir. I heard
You're
you and
going-
G made some money last night. Good job, sir. I'm surprised you're up. Didn't you just get off at 6 a.m.? Better than me. Better than me.
Duane, boy, he on one, boy. That boy be cooked. When I say he's on that market, man, he's watching that shit.
Well, that's how you gotta be sometimes when you're trying to get it done. For me, I can't watch the markets all day. Like I have to just come in at this time, get it done, and keep it moving. You know.
I agree, because there's been days like where my wife comes home and she's like taking a nap, so I'm just sitting there, so I'll like look at it, and at the end of the day, it's like I'm just like desensitized. It's like I'd rather come in fresh, hit it, reset.
Yeah.
I mean, a couple of times I've done good with it, so it's not like a bad strategy. But at the end of the day, it's like I should have. You'd been done something else, come back fresh, and you know, it's almost like working out too long in the gym, and then over the week you're like,
Yeah.
like hit it hard, hit it strong. Don't just walk the treadmill at 2 miles an hour.
Yeah. No. So we're right now, just so you guys know, we had a decent push up for the overnight session here. Yesterday we closed above 25,000, and where we're currently at, like, we're in this zone, I would say. So I want to see us break out probably above the overnight high, that 25,235.50 for some long opportunities. I want to clear all these previous wicks, all that stuff.
I was talking about the other chat room, with the app, with that mighty app, where they jump in the Zoom call.
And then we also have the VWAP currently below us at the 172.75.
Yeah, and the EMA on the 2 is like right at that whole number, almost 199.40 on mine. So that's like a double something right there.
Yeah. So just want to see what type of movement we get. We did have the news at 8:30. And looking at it now, can't say it really did much for that news at 8:30.
Order filled.
Order filled.
No, like I said, I popped on for a second, and then it was just, I looked at it, and it's kind of, I just wanted to see the volatility. If there's something there, I might have jumped, but it was just like, okay.
Yeah.
You could just see it was just kind of running in a bracket.
We got two more minutes, and the market's trying to pull a move real quick before market open here. Bull's trying to push this price up before market open. Andre, make sure you get your rest, sir. Make sure you get your rest. You want to be sharp for the markets. For all the people on YouTube, we're streaming regular and vertical. So make sure you guys are in the chats. I got both chats pulled up on the software, so I can talk to all you guys now without switching through. So excited about that. Today, key thing we're looking for is momentum. Don't rush it. Wait for the momentum. And remember, base hits, people. Base hits. Just lock in that profit off the base hit. Base hits are what gets you paid.
That is one of the things I want to like have a training on. It's just like I mean, I see the momentum, but you have that extra. You see the momentum quicker, so it's just like what do you look at? Like 4 bars of the Renko's hitting a certain way. You know, what is that subliminal thing that keys it in?
Well, honestly, for me, Steve, let me get my mouse. My mouse isn't working. Hold on. We need the mouse working.
Yeah, but keep in mind that we're about to go live in 15 seconds.
Yeah, but I'm not looking at taking a trade right at open, so we're good.
Okay. I just wanted to show respect.
So, like, say we are looking for a bull flag, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'll put it right here. If we're looking for a bull flag, I want to see the momentum push through the line first off, and then it have follow through. Because sometimes when we touch the line, as we all know, we start coming right back down right after we touched it. So we just want to see the follow through the line with some extra added momentum. to be able to take the trade.
Mm-hmm.
And that's all I'm truly looking for.
So you're not keying
Delroy,
into the
good morning,
wrinkles.
sir. Good morning, Delroy. What was that, Steve?
You're not just keying in the wrinkles to see that. You're looking at the candle first and then pivoting to the wrinkles.
Exactly. Exactly.
I'm just trying to get that half second or whatever. You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
Oh, Dre, you in here?
Yeah, I'm in here.
Okay.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, Wayne.
I heard the yawn.
Nah,
We
I
got
ain't
that
see
pivot point 26575.
I'm
Pivot
wide
point
awoke.
26575.
Well, you're awake now because the market's hitting. It's feeding your soul.
Yeah. You got to break the structure too on QQ on the 5 minute.
Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get here. Market just opened, so there's no rush. There's no rush. I think that's the biggest thing a lot of traders have issues with. They feel like as soon as the market opens, they got to take a trade. We crossed to that overnight high, which I wanted to see because I want us to clear out all those other wicks from previous candles. So we've done that so far. Are we going to have to follow through with the momentum? We got that pivot point above us, so we already know how those pivot points act. Those are magnets. We'll wait for a flag, wait for the momentum, and we'll execute like snipers. You gotta be a sniper a day. We have no news for the rest of the day, so let's see what we get. All right, new high once again there. Inching closer and closer to that pivot point. Well, there's the pivot point touch. That's pretty quick. Let's see if
Building a flag on the 1 minute.
we got a flag on the 1 minute. Let me jump
But
over there.
It kind of resolved past it, but it was starting one.
Looking at the 1 minute right now. Yeah, I just want to see a flag so I can jump in here.
Yeah, my man Moose said that it'd be a retracement. He must be in a trade because he's on, but he hasn't said anything.
It might retrace now and just dump up a little bit.
Dare you?
Yeah. I think we're going to go up a little bit though.
Well, we're above that 25,000, so we may try running over the next week or two back up to the 26,000s. Potentially.
Order filled.
No order fills on my end yet. No order fills yet. The Bears are stepping in hard right here, so want to see if we build a flag on this 2 minute for a potential bull flag. If not, we're just waiting.
That trade back up, G.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
On what, gold?
Yeah. Back up 9,000.
Ooh, let's go.
All right, that was an aggressive push that the Bulls just had right there to push that price back up. Let's see if we get some structure for this flag.
You gotta keep going. It gotta go lower, a little lower. And then
Delroy, I feel you. Patience,
after
my brother,
it-
patience.
yeah, we waiting. That's the end. Like at a
Man, I got a doctor. I got so much patience.
20. That camera got to finish low on the 25. We got like 20 seconds.
Come on, Betsy. It's only been
Come
5
on,
minutes.
Betsy.
I'm ready. I'm ready to execute, but we gotta have the move. We gotta have the move here.
Duane at 9:30. We're gonna take our time. Duane at 9:34. Let's get this damn flag up.
The hell?
I feel like we want to retest that pivot again.
Going up, baby.
But no flags yet.
Hopping in on that pullback.
Mm-hmm.
I go short.
I gotta reach out to Vatone, see how he's been doing.
I did talk to him like in the middle of last week, and he said he was doing good. But
Okay.
I didn't force anything or anything. But
Yeah.
he hasn't. I looked on the thing because it showed me his. He hasn't been signing in at all.
Okay. Yeah, I'll reach out to him, see how he's been. We got that big selling wick on the 5-minute candle.
Now look at that sucker. Like there's resistance at 250, 250, where it just kind of the top and the two candles are stopping.
Yeah.
I'm going short, fellas.
Do it, baby.
All right, that's one way to drop us. Start. Jesus, look at that. Almost down to that VWAP right there. And that move comes off of no news or anything like that.
You in the short, Dre?
Yeah, light work.
Okay. Yeah, boy, that was like a good.
That was great. I tried to get in like when it really moved, but the latency, I had to cancel it.
Yeah. But we got this wick. That's why I'm not just jumping yet.
Oh yeah, well that's why I didn't try to re-enter.
Yeah.
We did not touch that VWAP.
It wants to go lower.
Well, we have the close all the way down there at 25,064. So we do have a gap to the low side to get to that close from yesterday. But I'm not liking these wicks right now. That's why I'm hands off at this moment.
Looks weird.
Oh, y'all see that wick?
That's why I wasn't taking a short.
Huh?
I said that's why I wasn't taking a short.
Oh my gosh. That's
Light short.
We may have just built out a bear flag right here.
On the 2 minute, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
I
We'll
wasn't
see
looking
if
at
the
your
momentum
screen.
carries. We just have a lot of buying pressure right now.
It's huge. I mean, it was like, look at the previous wick. It pushed it all the way up into a proper flag.
And my whole thing is this, right? So we did sell off, but the candle ended up staying green. And right here, we may be building structure for a bull flag, potentially, on the 2 minute.
I could see that.
Yep, same on the 1 minute as well.
On the 5 minute. We're looking for a bull flag. It just pops up at that point.
Lots of buying pressure right now.
All right.
Just got stopped on my growth account. I forgot I sized up yesterday. Let me rotate to my other account. Because on that growth account, I get stopped out automatically at like 1,200 bucks.
I remember you saying that.
Three more minutes so that 15-minute range is completed. Yeah, tons of buying pressure right now. Like these wicks on the 2-minute candles, like all that buying pressure right there. Same on the 5-minute. This bad boy's gonna go up because the bears they don't have enough to keep that price going down right now. So tapping that 21 EMA right there as well. The VWAP's currently sitting right below the low of this range so far. I just don't like these buying wicks right now. Let's go, Betsy. Give me some more. $1,000 right there. Quick $1,000. We'll definitely take that. We'll definitely take that. That was on 2 contracts as well. Let's rotate once again. And we just keep this thing going.
See another bull about to print on the 2 minute.
Let's move our line up. And just patiently waiting here because our 15-minute range is finally completed. It's honestly a tight little range. So we're going to see how well the market wants to move. We have that pivot point currently above us at 25,265 area. Yeah, it's right there, 25,266. So green in one account, red in another account. We're going to keep it moving. I could, if I could, I would clean up the red account, but it's set where if I hit my stop loss in it, I can't trade it for the rest of the day. So still pushing here. We're coming up to this pivot point once again. Let's see what we get. We did not touch the pivot point right there, gentlemen. We came close, but we did not touch it. Want to get above that pivot point because the opening range, 15-minute range high is right there at the 270. So I want to see if we break out to the high side here. If we do, I'll call it the first target. For all the new people on the streams, if you're new, go ahead, say new so I can welcome you guys. If you're a regular, put a fire emoji. Let me know you're a reg. Appreciate you guys tuning in. We hit over 76,000 views for the month of November. So thank you for everyone that's been watching, tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Let's see if we get some structure for this flag here. I want an A++ setup. That's what I'm currently looking for. Not trying to rush it. Trying to be smooth with it today. But it's slightly annoying because I took that long, probably 30 seconds early, and then the move actually happened. So, like I always say, this is a learning experience for all of us, even myself. So, I gotta learn to have more patience.
The latency has been horrible for me, so I'm gonna wait.
Yep.
I mean, it's like 3 times now. It's just been thinking like blue. It's like, okay, how can you trade when it's doing that?
Yeah, and then if you don't close out, it always ends up hurting.
Oh, one of them got through, so.
Yeah.
Like, as I was trying to close it out, it put me in.
I hate that. I hate that. Let's get to that pivot point. I want to get above it.
Yeah, so it doesn't just reject. And
there's the pivot touch right there. Just waiting. I want some structure.
We're going to have the top of the 15-minute range immediately after.
Yep, at the 270. 270.50 is the high for the 15-minute range.
What's the low since you're there, oh great one?
Let me pull it up. Low for the 15-minute range is at right there, 189 even. 189 even.
Okay, cool. All right, I did pretty good that time.
Want to get some structure on this bull flag? Yeah, if we could really, this is just me being picky. If we could like build a bull flag above this pivot point, that'd be like awesome. All right, just popped out the 15-minute range right there. Expect a retracement back to the 15-minute range before it starts actually pushing out. There are instances where it just wants to keep on running, but a lot of times it likes to come back into that 15
Very
before
good.
it starts running. There we go, right back to the 15. Using, I was getting ready to say using that pivot point as support.
I just wanted to make sure it took out all the simps on that move.
Let's build out a flag here. I slept like a baby last night after crushing back day and then pressure washing. I was ready for bed. But I will say nothing's better than having a custom built rig to pressure wash because it makes it so much easier. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, I mean, you got a commercial grade one, so you're like set.
Yeah, I got the full. My pressure washer is the 5 gallon a minute pressure washer, belt driven, pulling from a water tank, and then I have a soft wash system as well to apply all the chemical, everything like that. Different system on the trailer, just makes life so much easier.
And yeah, I'm sure you have like those special things that look like a big metal detector or something, like a round. So you
Yep, the surface cleaner. Yep, I got the Whisper Wash 4000.
I mean, because otherwise you got like the little like laser thing, and you're kind of like,
yeah, no. I got the full commercial grade setup.
Enchilada.
Where I was actually like debating if I sell the rig because I don't pressure wash anymore. And then when I was doing it yesterday, I'm like, you know what? Maybe I should just hire some people to keep my cleaning business going, but I'm just not going to be out there. Because it is lucrative what we were doing. So
yeah, well, I mean,
hey Duane,
yes sir.
It pays good. Shit, I'll do it.
Right. I told you I'll be down there.
Listen.
Hey, Duane, where? And how much?
I would have to get like one smaller guy work out there with you, because you guys, my specialty for the business was roof cleaning, house washes, and like we would do concrete work like driveways and stuff, but that was like after we did like the roof cleaning. You know what I'm saying? Like, because the big money maker is the roof cleaning down here in Florida.
Right, that'd be cool. That's the money.
Yep. But it would normally pay when I was out there and I had my helper. He was averaging between $150 and $200 a day, and we may be out there for about like 5 hours.
That ain't bad.
You know, I try being a fair guy. You know what I'm saying? I try being a fair guy.
That's right.
All right. Close to the middle of this 15-minute range.
Oh, diddle in the middle.
We're not diddling in the middle. We're patiently waiting. Haven't seen another move that I want to take yet. Up in one of the accounts over $1,000. So who's complaining right now? Not this guy. Not this guy. If we keep falling towards this VWAP, I may take a short. But I would like to see a flag. Just me. And we got 5 more minutes before 10 o'clock. So Your boy may have to wait. Your boy may have to wait till after 5, not 5, after 10 o'clock to take the next trade because I got chopped up last week because I didn't look at the time and 10 o'clock hit and the market went crazy. I got stopped out for a $3,400 loss. Not trying to do that again. You know what I'm saying? Like, not trying to do that. We're creeping down to this VWAP. I want us to lose this wick. Not going to chase it because there's the VWAP tap right there. We did not get the flag, but the momentum was there. The momentum was there, but I'm trying to stay dialed because a video that's getting released on Friday, either tomorrow or Friday, video I recorded for you guys while in Mexico talking about discipline. You know what I'm saying? So if we don't have the full structure that I'm trying to look for, I'm not taking it. Gotta have the discipline to stay out the market even when you see it moving. Got that big old wick right there on the 5-minute. Same on the 2. Looks like we are trying to build a flag on the 1 minute. Want those flags on the higher time frames, to be real. How's everyone feeling? Everyone feeling good today? Tomorrow's everyone's gonna be eating a lot of food. So make sure you wear stretchy pants. Just saying. It's a game changer.
Listen here, do some cardio.
We could definitely do some cardio. I'll be on the elliptical while my family's eating next to me. You know what I'm saying? I gotta set the tables up on the patio. You know, you gotta earn it before you eat it. You know what I'm saying? One of those type things.
Dig deeper into the mashed potatoes.
Still no flag yet on the higher time frames here. We do have a flag on the 1 minute. There's the VWAP tap once again.
So we're heading towards the bottom of the 15-minute range.
We are heading towards the low of that 15. Oh, straight out the 15 right there. Wait for the retracement. But that was an aggressive sell-off right there.
That was like a jump.
I don't think this is going to retrace right away, gentlemen.
Do it, baby. Come on, Andre.
Listen, I'm in the green. Ooh, it's going down.
I'm holding this one for a minute.
We got the first target to the low side. First target to the low side. All the way down there, 14825. 14825 for that target. $14825 is the first target to the low side here. I just want, maybe I gotta start looking at this 1 minute more than the higher time frames. Because that flag, if I took it, we'd be green in this account as well. But guess what happens, gentlemen? The moves always repeat themselves.
This on my 150K account, G.
There's that first target hit. We just hit that first target. Hit the high for the yesterday as well. Oh, someone's putting their information out there.
But if you are unable,
Whoever is listening to that, go ahead and mute your mic.
funds do not return to
Mute the
detail.
mic. Give you what you
Can
like.
call us back to open up a dispute case once the transaction.
All right, that was Moose. Like, no one's trying to hear your personal business, bro. But just so you know, it's going to post tomorrow.
That's like one of those mid-90s hip-hop songs that has like horrible samples, like they didn't even try.
Second target is 107. 107 is the second target here, gentlemen. Let's see if we get another flag, because flags always repeat themselves. Let me move that line down right there so I can see it.
You can see it. It can be it. So Duane, on Friday I probably won't be on the. I'll try to pop in on the stream, but I won't be like trading. But I'll be anticipating.
Okay.
Hey guys, sorry to cut it short. I gotta go. Somebody charged over $1,000 to my card. I gotta call the bank.
Go handle your
Okay.
business, bro. Sorry to hear that.
All right. I'll see you later. Happy Thanksgiving, guys.
I can send you the money back in a little bit. I just need it real quick to buy eval.
That's all right. Bye. See you later.
All right, man.
Bye.
I had to buy 8 evals really quick.
I had to buy some straight to fundeds.
Yeah. Pay you back, honest.
Oh, Moose left?
Yeah, he has to go handle that. Someone charged his card $1,000,
Oh,
which is never fun.
That's what ex-wives are for. Can I get an amen?
No amens on that one.
Boy, everybody's leaving me dry.
All right, here looks like here's the retracement back to that 15, gentlemen. We popped into that 15. There we go. Now that we pop back to that 15, let's see how the market moves. We're still below it currently for the price. Come on, Betsy.
It's a nice bear flag that's forming up on that 5-minute and the 2-minute.
Those larger time frames for the flags, those are the ones that really pay, I'll say.
Well, pay, I'll say.
Pay, I'll say.
And we're trading with Dre.
We are trading with Dre. We're in the 15-minute range, pushing through that VWAP.
yep.
So patience, everyone, patience. There is no rush to this. I'm trying to go in Thanksgiving green, so that's why I'm not rushing. Or Ukrainian, just so you know. I'm neither.
That's right.
That was a dad joke, by the way, if you didn't catch that.
I got it.
The other dad in the chat. Thank you, Steve.
As a 4-time father, I can understand that joke.
All right, so looking like a potential bear flag on the 2-minute here.
You said there?
Yes, sir. And we got a decent structure on the 1-minute as well for a bear flag. Let's see if this is going to pay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on, Betsy. I see what you want to do. Waiting for that full momentum here.
Or short?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Just want to get closer to the yellow line on the chart.
That damn Skippy.
Getting closer on the 1-minute.
Give me a minute. All right.
Let's get, want to see the follow through the line. There's the line tap. Doing some consolidation right there as well. Right here on the Renko's slight consolidation. So
You hit through with purpose.
there's the line tap once again.
On the 2 minute, it looks like it's continuing the flag. Come on. Come on, Bessie. It's got to drop and give us some money.
Yeah, we need to drop it like it's hot, or else I'm gonna close this one out. Trying to give it some time to play out here.
But yeah. And staying in the neighborhood, it's just building up the momentum to go the other direction.
Stopped out once again. We rejected off my yellow line.
You and your
Aggie.
yellow lines.
Aggie. But watch, give it a minute. Since I got stopped out, the market will drop.
Market gonna drop.
Two stop outs.
Listen here, you jive turkey. Get your butt back in the game.
I'm waiting. I'm sitting here waiting, but now this thing's just trying to rip up. Thank God I got stopped out because this would have been really bad.
Well, you wouldn't have stayed on this long. Yeah, you'd have to be like, you have to walk away and use the restroom or something.
I'd be throwing computers right now if I was still in this one.
Oh, you wouldn't do that. Listen.
You're right. I wouldn't throw the computer. You're right.
I've known you too long. You would have thrown a tantrum, but not the computer.
A tantrum. Are we building a bull flag, or is this going to be one big bear flag on the 5 minute? I say a bull flag, but I'll draw a line down here too, just so I can see it. There's the VWAP touch right there. Is the price want to stay above this VWAP now?
The VWAP touch.
As soon as you jump in, Duane, it goes the other direction.
We'll see.
Damn.
Come on, Bessie.
There we go. Come on, I know you want to do that drop. And it shoots right back up.
Craziness. Straight craziness.
Oh my God, bro. Then it shoots right back up. Come on.
Come on, Bessie.
We're right at the low of this 15-minute range here.
Go lower. Oh.
Good. We're rocking
right
and rolling.
below the-
We're just gonna move it.
There, come on. You know you want to drop.
That's right.
We're below the 15 right now. Let's see if we start a waterfall.
Come on, Betsy. Oh.
We got those wicks on top of these candles.
Go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Betsy.
It's got to do something.
It's about to. It's about to. Yes. Yes. You still in it, right, Duane?
Yeah.
All right.
He's not holding the wall anymore, so that's good.
Don't go down, boy. Trust me. Just doing a little resistance and boom, waterfall.
It's trying. The Bears are trying.
I know
but
they are. They are. They're fighting. They're fighting it. Come on, Betsy. Come on. Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah. As soon as they go down, them boys shooting it right back up. Uh-oh. Come on. Let's do it. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Come on. Come on, man.
Getting rejected up there once again. Not liking this price action right now.
Yeah, I don't like it. It's kind of it's not decisive.
It's consolidating. Right back on the VWAP. Go right back down.
I'm getting ready to close out of this one. Feel like we're getting ready to go for a rocket ride here in a minute, potentially, with how this price is moving. But let's see if we get this flag right here with the follow through. I closed out. I see this bear flag right here, but I don't like how the price is moving on this 2 minute. I don't like these bottom wicks. I do not like those bottom wicks. So I just closed out. Feel like it's too much buying pressure right now.
I agree.
And if we get below the line, I'll potentially re-enter, but I'm not trying to get chopped up.
Well, it gets below the line, but goes nowhere. Got to break out of the zone.
Love you too, baby.
Thank you very much.
Oh.
Hey, baby. I want to do you. Are you being like a rock and roll guy or something? Like a rockabilly dude?
Nope.
I love you, baby.
All right, so we're sitting right at this VWAP. Right at this VWAP right now. It's either I want to see us push through this line, or we may start trending up here. So we are right at the low of this 15 right below it. So super tight area that we're currently in. We need that big old mo. We need that momentum. All right, there's the yellow line tap right there. Need the follow through here. Right back to the magical line. And we're dancing right now.
It's a chop zone.
Got some consolidation happening right there. Come on. Wow. The dance is real right now. The dancing's real. Fire stepped in right away. This thing's dancing. This thing's dancing right now. Made it a little bit more on that one. I closed out. I'm not feeling the dance on the Renko bars.
Same here.
I'll probably wait till we come back down to that first target we had at 148.50. 148.50 for that first target. To see if that acts as support or resistance. If we get through that one, then I'll probably take another short to the low side, but I'm holding right now. I gotta figure out because I've been greedy today. I've been holding some of these trades longer than I should.
Look, man, you're just practicing for Thanksgiving. Give me please, sucker.
Coming down to that first target. There's the first target touch once again. Straight craziness.
Yo.
Renko bar is like climbing a mountain.
I'm not this price movement. Yeah, I close. This price movement is all over the place right now. I'll swap over that account. Haven't traded that one a day. All the way back up to the VWAP.
The whole number.
Crazy. Pushing straight through like it wasn't even there.
It heard you. He's like, oh, Duane might enter a trade. Let me reverse.
It's not even that. I was saying we were dancing and I wasn't feeling it. We did hit that first target. I'm like, okay, let me jump in, see if we take it lower, because we had the yesterday's high below us still.
Mm-hmm.
So I was targeting that one, but this bad boy completely reversed right there.
Almost 10:30. 10:27.
Looks like we're probably going to build a bull flag up here. Since we cleared the VWAP, we cleared the 21 EMA. Yeah, on the 1 minute, there was no flag. Unless we're trying to call. Oh, there we go. And this be the flag portion, the pull, and then a big old flag right there. But that's stretching. That's reaching for it. That's reaching for it.
Dancing right under that whole number.
I'm back. I'm back. We got a bull flag here.
Well, ain't that a load of bull?
Slightly tempted to jump in on it right now.
Ooh, I see
I
it
would
too.
like to see. I want to see some follow through. Right, D-Bop?
Huh?
I said you gotta see some follow through.
Want some follow through? 100%.
It's in that within that bit that okay, 202, 201.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Just waiting for the momentum. I had to call my girl there because I'm like, sound like she had a little attitude walking out the house. We got a lot of kids in the house right now, so I was trying to see if the kids did something I need to be aware of.
Well, you heard some commotion. What was it, D?
Uh-oh, guys. You guys see it's going up a little bit?
Don't worry, Duane put a trade. It's gonna slow
Oh,
down.
I see.
That's crazy. That's crazy. That's how you think. If I go in, unbelievable.
I was just teasing you, you jive turkey.
Oh, you try to go for a sell?
No, I went for a long. I went for a buy.
Oh, okay.
I'm getting ready to close this out. The way it's dancing again.
I was just teasing, Duane. Please keep me in the group.
I may have to send you to the VIP room, Steve.
I'm just laughing because it did the same thing to me earlier because of the latency and.
Oh, shit. Oh, you didn't like that move, Duane.
I'm still in. I'm not stressing it.
He's making sure he doesn't mind because it takes away the chances of micro scalp now. So now he can make his money.
Oh, 100%.
I want to find a snipe like a perfect entry. Get in on this bull, man. I know it's going up.
It's just tight chops.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. I'm waiting for it to show, man.
And the thing is, it's like still close to the. Well, now it's moving up to 10, but it was hovering in the whole number range.
Once it gets to that like 15, I may try to jump in. Oh.
This needs a launch.
I need a spaceship I need a rocket ship right now.
Duane said,
I closed out. Because the momentum's not clean momentum right now. Yeah, I posted a video yesterday talking about just lock in the profits. So who am I not to lock in the profits if I see profits? Just saying. Base hits. There's the middle of the 15-minute range right there.
There's something about the middle. What was that, Duane?
We don't diddle in the middle.
In the middle.
Price literally sitting right at the middle of the 15-minute range.
Well, maybe we'll go uptown and get something done. So while we're waiting, I just wanted to take time to individually wish G a happy Thanksgiving.
G, happy Thanksgiving, sir.
Same to you guys,
you got eating up for all of us.
Same to you guys, too.
He was lurking. He's like, Steve mentioned me again, damn it. And then, and then the same to you, Duane.
No, of course, you guys as well. I hope you guys truly enjoy it.
Gobble gobble, turkey sucker.
Gobble gobble, turkey sucker. That's crazy.
I'm trying to see if we're gonna get that momentum again.
I'm just trying to wait for this middle to get down the diddle. I'm not playing second fiddle.
You still in that trade, Dwayne?
I closed out. I re-entered.
Ooh, it look like it may touch that next pivot too, though. That's like another 30 points.
We're like in this. We're consolidating right now. I don't like
you
it.
know, you said it well. It's like moving, but it's not clean. It's kind of. It's like the kind of trade you make, like you set your ATM strategy and you walk away. You know what I mean? It's like
Yeah.
to sit and breathe it, like tick by tick. That's like it takes a special countenance.
We want cleaner at least.
This is the kind of market that will pull people in because it looks clean if you're looking in the past, but as it's moving, it's kind of.
Yeah, hindsight's always 2020. So whenever you look backwards, it's like, oh look at this move that I missed. But in the moment, it's not there.
Oh, yeah. Well, if you look at the candles in the past, it's like this is the easiest thing in the world. I just want to say a disclaimer: if I ever tease you, I'm teasing you, okay? So,
Need these bulls to finally push right here. We keep getting stuck right in this area at the 239 area.
I see that.
I want to see us do a rocket ship here. Close out of that one as well. Movement's not clean. It's not clean. Yeah, I'm not willing to risk it for the biscuit.
Yeah, but what if there's gravy in those biscuits?
No.
The momentum is going up.
It is going up, but it's not clean. We need clean. Because we'll go up a couple, come back down, go up a little bit.
Yeah, and it just pulls. It puts those losses in your pocket.
We do have that pivot point above us.
Does it know that?
But not liking these wicks on the 2 minute.
Yeah, if you look at where on the 2 minute, the previous candle, it's like chopping it off at the same point.
Yeah. Yeah, I may call it because not liking the movement. Not liking the movement.
Yeah, I'm not. To be honest with you, I'm not even trading all my accounts right now because I got red in one, and it's just like with the movement, I'm not even gonna risk anything.
Yeah.
It's just kind of like it's like one step. It's like following somebody that's drank too much when you're picking them up as their designated driver. You know, I used to run a party bus, so you kind of be corralling people in. They're like one step forward, one step to the side.
But like right here, we did have a bull flag right here,
Well, now
but
we're back in
it's
business.
nothing's been clean. Nothing's been clean for it though.
Yeah, but this bull flag is gonna present. It's gonna blow it right off the high.
And that's right there why I wasn't trying to stay in either. That
Oh, yeah.
pullback right there, because the momentum was not clean. We need clean.
Like when you went through customs, you have to declare the sand. I have a bottle of sand for my mother.
No. If we brought like legit food back or something like that, I think we would have had to declare that. Or like that type of stuff. But since we didn't have to declare anything.
How is it coming back in the country, like the customs?
For us, going and coming, it's like nothing. Like we're probably in immigration for like a minute or less.
But that's because you have that special thing. So if somebody just had a passport, you have to kind of go into a deeper thing.
Coming back into the States, you would have been waiting in line. We have global, so we literally on our phone, we check in on our phone for global, and we go up, we show it, and they just let us right through. So even in Mexico, though, their immigration's a breeze. Going into Mexico, literally a minute in their immigration as well, because their immigration, they have huge queues to be in, but you're only in there for a minute because there's never a line.
I've seen that video that you posted where it's just like it's like you're walking through a deserted building or something.
Yeah. Yep. So we definitely will take it. It's way better than Portugal. Portugal, we stood in line for like 5 to 6 hours in the immigration line.
When I saw that, because you said you might be broadcasting, and then you sent that, and you said, "Dude, we're stuck," like in the group. I was like, "Man, that's an understatement."
We were stuck in there, and then what makes it even worse, right? We landed in Portugal like around like 11 their time.
Yeah.
We didn't get out until like 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
And then on top of that, we had to drive 3 hours.
Yeah.
So it was just insult to injury at that point. You know what I'm saying? Like having to drive 3 hours after being in line with kids in an un-AC'd room
and the kids
for like 4 hours, it was wild.
Yeah, and the kids are done at that point, and it's like, okay, now we're taking a ride. It's like, oh no.
It was rough. Sounds like my water guy's here.
Yeah. Are you sure you're stocking up for, everybody gets a sparklets. You want some sparklets?
Oh, he's just dropping my 5-gallon jugs off.
That's what I'm saying. Like everybody at your house, like, hey man, it's the holidays. Everyone gets 5 gallons.
Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna run downstairs real quick and tell him I don't need eight things. I only need 4. Be right back, gentlemen. Be right
don't
back.
Need 40 gallons. Come on. Where are you at, Chief? Are you catching it? Move it down.
All right. Your boy's back.
All right.
My wire guy's awesome. Opened the door. He waited. I'm like, yeah. It's dropping chat.
Drop in chat. You gotta like it like that.
Delroy, you said the stream's dropping the chat.
We're good on our side. I don't know about the other stuff.
Alrighty, the market literally went nowhere while I stepped away there, so I don't feel bad.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like it's
I feel like the market's done for the day
yeah.
because
I feel like the wisest thing I did today is to not trade on my account.
copy. I may have to.
No, because usually like I rotate, but it's just like I only traded one because I'm like,
Yeah.
you know what? I'd rather not rob that bank in the using that example and try to attempt it right now.
Like that little drop right down almost to the VWAP. The market's not moving how it normally moves. I'll say that. I may have to go for a sell on the Bitcoin then if it's dropping. Let's see. Let me load up my Robinhood here. See how the market's doing. All right, I'm up $5. I'm up $5. I've been loading up like each day. I've been just adding like more XRP because I feel like in the next couple years that price is just going to go crazy. So every little pullback there is, I've just been buying. But those are for long-term holds. That's not for the day trading. This may be one big bull flag right here. But at this, we're below the middle of the 15-minute range.
It better, I mean, at this point, it better move like a mountain.
You know what I
mean? Like it better move like I haven't seen it move today. Hey, so Duane, how do you keep up on the crypto thing? Because I mean, at this point, I'd be like totally speculative because there's all these coins and sub coins and all that stuff.
Yeah, I only do like the more popular coins. I don't do the meme coins or anything like that.
Yeah, I'm just saying, it's just like, when I did it was like pretty much Bitcoin and Ethereum and then some other trash. And I saw the Ethereum as having a better, just a chance at scale so I could get in. And it cleaned up.
Yeah. I'm not trying to have another Bitcoin situation. You know what I'm saying? So for me, if I see certain things that are financially, that deal with something financial, you know what I'm saying? Like XRP handles like payment stuff. So like anything that handles like payments or anything like that, those are the coins that I would personally look into buying some. Because as everything evolves, everything like that, payments, people are always going to need to get paid. You know what I'm saying? Like financial instruments, those coins are the best.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I always felt like Bitcoin made its main move. Like, yes, it can move, but it's like, I mean, there's just the scalability of just being able to ignite.
Yeah. We got 10 more minutes on stream, and then we'll be getting off. We are having a traders hangout tonight.
What happened last night?
I did not do the traders hangout.
You traitor.
I know. Looks like we may, if the momentum continues, this may be a bull flag.
What is your heart saying, Duane?
Honestly, my heart's saying just be done for the day.
Boy, that wasn't what I expected to hear. No, but this is the time of year that we're going to be thankful, and I want to say again, I'm thankful for the fact that you're sharing this. That you're sharing of yourself, and you've been so selfless with it. So, and taking the time. So I just appreciate it. I appreciate you more than I think you know. I think you know too much about how much I appreciate it at the same time. It's a paradox.
Well, I have to share it. I have to share this whole trading journey. One, to help people open their eyes for people that never traded, everything like that. And then two, I have to do it because if I want everything else in my life to go right, I have to show this. Only because I felt like I'm supposed to be doing this. So if I don't do it, then I can't expect everything else in my life to go the way I want it to.
Yep. No, I got you. No, I
Without
appreciate
getting
it.
too biblical. You know what I'm saying?
Like, every time I say something biblical, you don't answer in the chat. So I'll speak the Hebrew outside the chat. How about that?
I'm tempted to take it long here, but I'm like, let me not. Let's just lock in this $500.
What
Keep
about
moving for the
tickle in
next day.
Diddle in the middle. Oh man, that just bursted.
Seven more minutes for 11 o'clock. 7 more minutes, gentlemen. This is not the time to be swinging for the fence. The market is just chopping somewhat. No reason to get chopped up before Thanksgiving. Not trying to have you as a chopped liver. You know what I'm saying? Like, just saying. But tonight, make sure you tune in for the Traders Hangout. We're going to hang out tonight while I'm watching the basketball game. So, we're going to have some fun tonight.
I'd watch if you were playing basketball.
Yep, no. Not playing. I watch it these days.
Oh, listen, these days, old man.
It is so tempting to want to jump in here. Let me just start clicking other buttons. Let me just hear that click noise. You know what I'm saying? Make myself feel good without entering into the market right now.
So how did I mean, it's just I don't see it like developing any momentum now because it hasn't. It's just crazy.
Well, I feel like it wants to retest potentially this high of the 15. We only got up there once for this session.
Well, it's just been a tight thing in general because even on the low side, it came back. So
yeah,
it's like our whole range is like what, like 150? It's like insane.
Let's see if we clear this wick up at 251.25. 251.25. We got a wick up there.
On the 1 minute, we were looking, it started to go up and then immediately rebound.
Yeah, on this 1 minute, just crazy looking. Like, this just shows you there's no clear momentum. Yes, we're going up, but
Like
we didn't have a flag. So
I stand by it. It's like you just have to set your ATM strategy, and you just gotta like go do something because
and close your eyes, yeah.
Yeah, because otherwise it's just like it's maddening.
since we're not trading tomorrow, I will actually either tonight or tomorrow morning. I'm recording that video. It's been requested so many times now where I just got to do it for Trade-Evate, showing you guys how to set up your Trade-Evate from scratch.
So you're just gonna open a generic Trade-Evate, strip the charts, and then put it back, kind of thing?
Yep.
Okay, cool. I thought the most requested video is Duane Broom singing the hits of Mel Torme.
No, that wasn't the top one though. It was, believe it or not, I thought that was going to be, but it wasn't. It was crazy. I was slightly disappointed, Steve. I'm like, man, I was so ready to sing, you know what I'm saying? But
Feelings.
we gotta give the people what they want.
Nothing more than feelings. You're beautiful. Strangers in the night.
Looking at this 5-minute chart, really nothing exciting.
3 minutes to 11 o'clock.
3 more minutes. G's alive. He's awake. I know you're just over there talking to Jordan.
No, Jordan's not there.
Oh, no?
I'm looking at the market.
Oh. We're creeping up to this pivot point. We have not cleared that previous wick, that 251 wick. I want to clear that 251 wick.
You just did.
There we go.
Do we jump in?
I'm debating, gentlemen.
He's debating.
I'm debating.
One
No, I'm just going to lock in this 500 on this account.
1 and 2 minute are going to
I'll see what that candle does after this one. What the next candle does. Then, if it stays up above, then I should jump in. I'll jump in. That's exactly what I'm gonna do.
I just don't trust it. We got 2 minutes before 11. 2 more minutes.
Scared money don't make no money.
Oh, I'm not scared. I've already made money for the day. I've made money. I've lost money. I've done it all. I've literally done it all today. I'm just like $500 in the green on this account because I'm not switching back to the other accounts I've already traded. So if I'm gonna trade it, it's gonna be on this account right here. Yeah, the movement's not what I want. Because right here on the Rincos, we're consolidating. This price is so slow right now. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful.
I'm telling you, it's like I said, you just got to be able to set it and like leave the room and go do something.
Yep, less than a minute left. Less than a minute left for 11 o'clock.
It's going to touch that pivot point.
There's the pivot touch. Are we finally going to break out of the 15-minute range and actually keep going? We'll know in 30 seconds if the market's getting ready to try shooting up here. We're above that pivot. We popped out of the 15 for a second there.
Let's go pop out. Let's go pop back up.
Come on. From G's mouth to God's ear.
Yep.
Let's go. Let's pop back up.
Come on,
let's go.
We're hanging on to the pivot point.
Ooh, come on, back
11 o'clock just hit.
Get out. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah.
Let's go.
Duane is flexing his finger on the mouse.
Oh, I'm debating. I'm debating.
Jumped in. I'm at 800 right now. Ooh. 850. 900. Let's go. Let's keep going. Ooh, 900, baby. But I'm in the negative, so I just got to get my account back.
Let's see. We got that high right there. We're so close to that high. I did jump in because we're close to the high.
I jumped in at 2254.
Nice.
So I'm at a good price right now, 809. If it keeps going up, Let's go to that 280, baby. You know you want to go up, baby. You know you want to go up. You know you want to go up, baby. Keep going.
Yeah, come on.
Let's go for the VWAP.
No, VWAP's below us, G. VWAP's below us.
Yeah, no VWAP. He was kidding, Market. He was kidding. Man, this is just like, I can't believe Duane's not holding the wall at this point.
I took that 650 right there.
Not holding the wall.
I took it. I took that 650. 650 right there. I'll take it.
Looks like we're building a bull flag.
Another one on that 2 minute.
They always repeat themselves.
Yes, they do.
Let's see it. Will it repeat it for me right now, sooner rather than later?
Let's make some new highs here.
Woo, keep going, baby. Is it gonna keep going up, Dwayne?
I don't know. I closed it. Added a little bit more.
I paid a little back on that one thing because it got out of hand, but I don't like the movement. It's kind of like to get what I got.
You had to do too much.
Yeah, I mean it's like it's kind of like all over the road. Like it's here somewhere far in the red to get that green. Like it wasn't clean. See,
it's not clean movement. It's not. We have a target above us up there at the 311.50, but I'm actually Angel saying buy gold. Well, I'm trading the NQ, so not trading gold today. I honestly don't trade gold, but a lot of people have been talking about gold lately.
Do you like the NQ because of the favorable? I mean, all of the patterns are the same, right? But what made you settle on NQ?
I had the most volatility because as momentum traders, we want volatility so we can see the momentum easier.
Gotcha. No, thank you for the clarification, sir.
No, of course. Well, everyone, I'm going to be getting off here. Like I said, we do have that target above us, but I'm locking in the profits for the day. Up in 2 accounts, just under 2K. Red in another account, so it is what it is.
I jumped in another one.
Make your money, G. Put it in the discussion.
Baby. Let's go. Oh. Keep going up, baby. Oh, 5.
Number time.
You as well, Angel. Hopefully you come back. Love to have you on the stream with us. It'll be fun.
Come on, Angel. Please come back.
All right, fellas. I'll see you guys on Friday. You guys or the Traders Hangout. If you want to come hang out tonight, come hang out 9:15 tonight for the Traders Hangout. But other than that, have a good Thanksgiving.
I'll be in touch with you. Like, obviously I won't be on the stream most likely on Friday, but I'll be there in spirit if I don't get through, but you know what's what.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you, Steve.
Yep.
Have a good one, guys.
All right, man. Appreciate you,
all right,
man.
Bye. Reminder for all the streaming platforms that we're currently on. Traders Hangout tonight, 9:15 p.m. We're going to hang out, talk about trading, in life. So come check us out for that. And other than that, stay safe in the markets, and we live to fight another day. With that being said, stay blessed.